This recipe is dedicated to all the children that watch Lady C. I am wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hello, creative bangers. Let's do this together. You want to start by adding instant yeast in a bowl, 4 cubes of sugar, and warm water. You can substitute warm water with warm milk if you wish. Mix to combine very well. Once that is done, I move in with 1 egg and butterscotch. Feel free to use any flavor of your choice. Go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. All right. Now we are moving in with the flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. All right. Once that is done, I am going to add milk powder. All right. Then I am going to add salt. Go ahead and start mixing till you form a dough. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right, now I transfer to the work surface. I added some butter. You can also use margarine. All right, continue mixing and kneading till you form a popping dough, just like this one. I am loving it. Look at that dough. Now you are going to transfer back into the mixing bowl. Cover and keep anywhere warm around your home to proof. 40 minutes later, voila. This can be less or more than 40 minutes depending on how warm your environment is. Chop knuckle with that dough, transfer back to the work surface. You are going to knead for a few seconds to take out the air. Now go ahead and divide into 4 equal parts. I am going to take 1, 2, 3 back into the mixing bowl, then start working with Mr. Number 4. Now I'm going to roll in a long shape just like so. Go ahead and cut into a tiny pieces as demonstrated. Okay, once that is done, we are going to form a ball with each of the dough. All right, I pick up one, then gently form a smooth ball with it. Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones. Season greetings to you, Lucia, watching from South Africa, Susan from California, Emmanuel from Nigeria, Messi watching from Malawi, and Grace all the way from UK. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? Okay, now I continue to form the balls like I said earlier till I am done. Now you are going to pick up 4 balls, all right, and transfer the balls into your cupcake pan. This is what you are going to do. Place a cupcake in a baking tray like so, then drop the balls as demonstrated. Once that is done, you are going to add sausage at the center of the balls. Very simple and easy. You are going to repeat the same process with the other ones. Once that is done, you should have these cuties. Look at that. The kids are going to love this, trust me. Now we are going to cover again and allow to proof for the second time. 20 minutes later, voila, it has doubled in size again. It is time to bake. Go ahead and bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes and there you have it. Look at that. It turned out so well. Allow to cool down. You can go ahead and serve the kids around you. You can do this for the kids during this Christmas period. All right, they are going to love it and they will appreciate you for it. Now you can also serve this recipe for back to school. Put in a beautiful plastic bag like so, and they can take it to school as a snack. All right, okay, but because I want to share this to the kids around me, I decided to make it to look more appetizing. All right, so I started with ketchup and mayonnaise. Look at that. Do you prefer it with the ketchup and mayonnaise or just plain? Let me know at the comment section, but I'm loving what I'm seeing. Are you watching this with your child or children? Please give them a hug on my behalf. Tell them that Lady C loves them so much. I am wishing them a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Oh my word, it turned out so well. I love it. Those of you that always leave me a comment that you watch my videos with your child or with your children, please give them a hug on my behalf. Tell them that Lady C loves them so much. I am wishing them a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. By the time you are watching this video, it will be 24th of December 2025. I am wishing you and your family all the best. Do have a wonderful holiday. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.